my name is Yafrina Binti Ramli. My student ID is 2022-3-104. Our topic is volumetric analysis of lactic acid in skincare product. Okay, what is volumetric analysis? Volumetric analysis is a quantitative analytic method used to determine the concentration of an analyte in a solution. The point of complete reaction is often indicated by a chemical indicator or physical change, such as color change. Lactic acid is widely used ingredient in skincare product due to its moisturizing and exfoliating properties. To determine the concentration of lactic acid in skincare product, a volumetric analysis can be performed. The criteria of volumetric involve titrant, analyte, indicators, sample preparation, calculation of concentration, accuracy and precision.
Hello, my name is Nurma Shamil and my student ID is 2022696782. The theory of volumetric analysis for lactic acid in skincare product involves the process of using a burette to add a base solution, which is titration, normally sodium hydroxide, of known concentration to a solution containing the unknown concentration of lactic acid. Lactic acid reacts with NaOH in a 1:1 molar ratio to produce sodium lactate in water. The endpoint of the titration is reached when the reaction is indicated by a change in color of the solution, for instance by adding phenolphthalein which changes color at a pH of about 8.2210. The amount of NaOH used to neutralize the lactic acid solution is used to determine the concentration of lactic acid present. This method is based on the fact that the volume of base required to neutralize the acid solution is directly proportional to the concentration of lactic acid, and hence the concentration of lactic acid in the skincare product can be determined accurately.
My name is Khalida Sofia binti Dul Alim. My student ID is 2022492008. Next, I will explain about the methodology for titration of lactic acid in a skincare product. The purpose of this experiment is to determine the concentration of lactic acid in a skincare product using a standard sodium hydroxide solution. The material needed to run this experiment, such as skincare product containing lactic acid, sodium hydroxide solution known concentration, phenolphthalein indicator, burette, pipette, aluminium flask, distilled water, and weighing balance. Moving on to the procedure, the experiment will be started with sample preparation, where a known amount of skincare product needed to be weighed. Then dissolve it with distilled water before transfer it to the aluminium flask and make sure it is homogeneous. Next, few drops of phenolphthalein is added as an indicator before proceed with the titration. Lastly, after done with the titration and result was recorded, we can proceed with the calculation using the titration formula, which is M1V1 equal to M2V2. Here I prepared the example calculation from this experiment. The data that will be needed for the calculation is molarity of sodium hydroxide, volume of sodium hydroxide used, weight of skincare product, and volume of dissolved skincare product solution. And from this calculation, we got that the concentration of lactic acid in the skincare product is 0.75.
Hi, my name is Ala binti Raza. My student ID is 2022870034. Now, I will explain about the example of result in our video presentation. First, we use M1V1 equal to M2V2 formula, which is M1 is molarity of lactic acid, V1 is volume of lactic acid solution used, M2 is molarity of NaOH, V2 is volume of NaOH used. So, M2 is equal to 0.100 molar, V2 is 15 milliliter, V1 is 100 milliliter. Weight of skincare product is 2.00 gram. To calculate mole of NaOH, we use this formula, which is 0.100 molar multiplied with 0.015 liter, which is this is converted to liters, and equal to M2V2. Then you get the same moles, which is 0.0015 mole is equal to 0.0015 moles. So the ratio of the lactic acid react with NaOH in a molar ratio is 1 equal to 1. To calculate the molarity of lactic acid is M1 in bracket 0.1 liter equal to 0.100 molar multiply with 0.015 liter. You get 0.015 molar. Next, we want to calculate the concentration of lactic acid in 100 ml solution. The concentration formula is mole over volume, which is 0.0015 mole divided by 0.100 liter. You get 0.015 molar. So, the concentration in product is equal to 0.015 molar multiplied with 100 ml divided with 2.00 gram, and you get 0.75 molar. Thus, the concentration of lactic acid in the product is 0.75 molar.
My name is Noria Binti Yasir. My student ID is 2022699442. In the conclusion, titration of lactic acid involves the process of determining the exact concentration of lactic acid present in the solution by reacting it with a standardized solution of a strong base, which is sodium hydroxide. The endpoint of the titration is identified using a pH indicator where the solution transitions from acidic to basic as all the lactic acid is neutralized. This process ensures that the skincare formulation achieves desired effects, which helps to improve skin texture, reduce dark spots, and give hydration to skin. Next, this analytical technique is also crucial in various industries, including pharmaceutical, food, and cosmetics, where precise knowledge of acid content is necessary for the quality control. The process of titration allows for accurate determination of lactic acid concentration, which helps ensure consistency and effectiveness in product formulation. Lastly, titration of lactic acid in skincare products play roles in quality control and formulation precision, which contribute to the safety of skincare treatments for users.